Yeah, this should not be happening. Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future video. So in today's video, I'm gonna attempt to fix the seat issue on my 2019 Mustang GT. Take a listen for yourself. I'm actually gonna step outside the car so you can hear the sound and you can really spot it where it's coming from. It's basically the leather seats are rubbing against the center console. And it does this sometimes it doesn't do it. But it's been happening for, I want to say, about a year or so, occasionally here and there. And that's one of the build quality issues that's kind of starting to annoy me. There are some other build quality issue that I've mentioned in one of my 2-year review of my 2019 Mustang GT. But this one in particular, it's kind of starting to get a little bit annoying. So I'm going to attempt to fix it. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's in my driver's seat position. I'm going to hit the power button so the seats are going to go back. You hear that? It's like right around here. If I press it in again, gosh, that's annoying. If I really wanted to, I could somewhat bypass it by going to settings, advanced settings, vehicle, and I can turn off this easy entry and exit, which is what causes the seat to move. So I can set the driver position however I want to and just not have to worry about constant seat basically moving for the easy entry and exit. But if I have the feature, which is a pretty good feature, why not use it, right? So I'm gonna try to fix it on my own. Although I could take it to the dealership, I feel like this is one of those things that you'll just get a run around and just, you know, get the answer from the dealership, like, oh, it's, you know, it's supposed to do it, or, you know, it's these seats are expanding or something like that. So I feel like I don't have time for that. And even if they did try to fix it, most of the parts orders are being delayed, so I don't want to leave the car there, wait for the parts and all that stuff. So I'm going to attempt it on my own. Of course, if I can't fix it, I'm going to have to take it to the dealer and just hope for the best. So I'm going to go ahead and go to a store and pick up some WD-40. I feel like if I put some WD-40, just a little bit, not too much, it should help with that in terms of, you know, getting the noise out. I feel like it just needs a little bit of lubricant. I could use some leather seat cleaner as well. I think I do have one, but I just figured this one might be a better solution. So I'm gonna attempt that. Go to the store, get some WD-40 and spray it and hope for the best. And hopefully that creaking or whatever that is goes away from the seats. At first, I honestly thought it was just the automatic adjustment. So I tried manually adjusting it to like different points in terms of where the bottom of the seat is located. I wasn't able to have any luck with it. And even if I change it up right now, you'll hear it at different points. So I don't know, let me face it here maybe. See? It's pretty annoying. But I'm gonna turn off the car. Oh, it didn't do it right now, see? It's just very random. While we're right at the store, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some WD-40 and see if it's gonna fix that issue. All right, I think this should do it. Does stop squeaks. 12 ounce, pretty good. All right, so I've got my WD-40 right here, and I'm gonna be using this streamer to basically spray the WD-40 between the leather seats and the center console, hoping it lubricates it enough where I'm not going to be hearing that noise anymore. So I think what I'm going to do is make sure the seats are all the way back so I can see pretty much the entire center console, and then spray it gently and see how it works. Alright, so I'm going to make sure the seat is all the way back as it can be. As you can see, it's still got more room. That's pretty much as far as back as it can go. So here's the center console. I feel like I want to spray on this side of it too, where the cloth is. But let's see, definitely this part here needs to be sprayed up. Okay, so I've got the WD-40 in the streamer position. Let's see what it does now. It says not to wipe it down for maximum protection. So I don't know how I feel about leaving the WD-40 on, but let's see. If only there was a way I could, you know, spray on this. Like, I feel like that's the side that really rubs. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and at least wipe off from the seat. The seat doesn't need de-leather. WD-40. And wait for it to maybe dry up a little bit, and then I can potentially do a general spray instead of streaming it out, because I feel like that will reach the leather seat. So let's try that. Alright, so I feel like I've done what I can. Maybe I can spray a little bit more, but not much I can do because it's kind of hard to reach the seat, and it's starting to smell like WD-40 now. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and try my luck. I'm gonna start the car, or at least do it in the turn on position where the car seat moves automatically, and see if that did anything. Oh, the seat didn't move because I manually moved it, so I guess I'm gonna have to do it manually. All right, here we go. Please, please, don't. Towards the end, you could hear it, so maybe it needs a little bit more spray. So I'm gonna spray a little bit more. I feel like it was towards the end, so maybe around here part. This part I didn't really touch, because normally I don't think I would have my seat that far up anyway, so. All right, gonna wait a little bit more too, wipe off the excess. All right, so I'm gonna try for one last time. Let's see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna push it to on. So far, nothing here, but that's definitely not my position to drive from. It's towards very end now, but it's much better because that's typically not the position I would drive from. So I feel the driving position is fine now. I'm gonna have to try it a couple more times once it kind of dries off and see if it really helped or not. But I'm hoping it did. If not, I'm gonna be taking it to the dealer. I feel like it really helped out. 'Cause I used to basically hear that noise throughout when the seat was moving, but now I'm just hearing it towards the very end. The car definitely smells like strong WD-40, so I'm probably gonna have to clean the interior to have some nicer scent and not WD-40. Feels kind of weird. But yes, I'll be doing that. If you guys experience similar problem with your leather seats, let me know what have you tried, what's worked, what hasn't worked. Was your dealer cooperative in terms of getting the issue fixed, or did you just kind of leave it as is? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.